Welcome to It's Rafiq. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create green screen animation using Kinemaster. First of all, open Kinemaster mobile video editor in your mobile. Then tap on the plus sign. There you will get to select ratio options. You can select any ratio whatever you required. Suppose I need 16:9. So I have selected the ratio. Then you go for background. After selecting the background, you will select just the first option, black color. After selecting it, tap on the background picture, go to the black color, select here and select the green color from here. So this one is the green color, and tap on tick sign. Now I have selected the green color. Here the background is totally green, and at top of the green you have to put the pictures or the graphics whatever you want to put on your green screen. And first you have to make some transparent images or logos or whatever you want. Suppose I want to put here my social accounts link here in an animation form. So I have already created in PNG format using PixArt. So I am going to put it at top of the green layer. So here I will go to layer, media. Here is my PNG image which I have created by using Kinemaster, or not PixArt. So you put the position where you want to show it. Suppose here I want to display at left hand side. So you put it here and you select the duration, how much time, how much second you want on the screen, that animation. Suppose I want it for 5 seconds. So you can move on the timeline and select the timing. So till 5 seconds I have selected it. Now you tap on the image and tap on the scissor option, and from here select trim to right. And even here on the green background, tap here scissor or cut option and then right to play head. So I have cut it. Now we have to put animation, how it will appear on the screen. For that you select the image, not the green one, that PNG one where you have written your name and all, and here in animation how it will appear on the screen. Here fade, by fade it will appear right, from right hand side it will appear, and some other are also there. Suppose wipe right, wipe left, enter slide up, enter slide left, enter slide right. Suppose this one is good one, enter slide right. And after selecting in animation, now it's time for out animation. We'll select that one only, enter slide left. So wipe left. Let's play it and see how it looks. So it will appear like this way on screen, and it will go out like this way from the screen. Now you have to put some audio. For Kinemaster you can download some example audios or some special sound from the store. I have downloaded few, so I can put it from there only. Select audio, SFX, and here the category. So my category is click. So let's increase the sound. This one is one option and this one is another option. Suppose for entering I want to put this one, so I have put it. You can see on the timeline this is my entering audio, and for exit audio it will be this one. So I have put it here. Now let's play it and see. So it will appear like this way and exit from the screen this way. Now we have to export the video so that we can put this animation to any other videos. For that, tap on this icon. After that, select your resolutions whatever you want and select the quality how much you want. Suppose I want in medium quality, then export. It will take a while. So now my green screen is ready. Let's play it. Select the player. So this is my green screen animation video. Now let's put this green screen in my other videos and see how it works. First, go to the home screen of Kinemaster. So this is my home screen. I'm going to create a new video. For that, tap on the plus sign. Ratio is 16:9. Then select the video. Suppose camera video. From here, this one is my video. Here I want to put my animation at the last moment. Now go to layer, media, export, and you select whatever you made recently. I have made this one. So select the position where you want. Suppose here I want. Then after that, go to chroma key and enable it. Now let's play it. So this way it will appear on your screen. You can turn off the sound also from here. This way you can create green screen animation by using Kinemaster and PicsArt. That logo or that image, whatever you want to display on the animation, that one you can create by using PicsArt or any other picture editor. And here in Kinemaster you can make the green screen. So I hope you understood how you can make the green screen here in Kinemaster. I will come in a new video with a new trick or new ideas. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.